Hey guys, Dave Moore, DaveMoore.com. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of the KCI USA Glock 9mm 50 round drum. Now I just got this magazine in the mail a few days ago, along with a bunch of other magazines from the same company. So I want to unbox it, tell you about it, and kind of give you my first overall opinion on it. Alright, so a quick rundown of exactly what is on the box here. We have limited lifetime warranty, pretty much protects you against manufacturer defects. It will be replaced at no charge if there's a manufacturer's defect on this product. 9mm Luger, 50 round capacity, easy loading. On the bottom has Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, KCIUS.com, KCI USA logo right there. Compatible with Glock 17, 18, 19, 26, and 34. Logo on it once again. Now I have cut the tape prior to starting this video, but I have not taken it out of the box. I have not actually looked at this magazine. So we're going to do that for the first time right here. Right, inside the box it comes in a little gray or black Ziploc bag. Go ahead and pull that out, get rid of this box, and let's take this magazine out of the bag. Here it is, folks. Alright, so as you can see, it is a Glock profile magazine, easy enough to identify. It is for Gen 4 with the interchangeable magazine, because it has the magazine catch notch on both sides of the mag. So if you're left-handed like me and you switch out your magazine, it is compatible, or switch out your magazine release, it is compatible with both left and right hand. On the front here, 9mm 50 round, KCI USA logo, patent pending, it's got the patent number. Now these are made in Korea. All black, weighs about 1.5 pounds, and I think it actually is exactly 1.5 pounds. And it is easy loading. We all know that loading mags is pretty cumbersome and it kind of hurts your fingers after a while. At least it hurts my fingers. I tend to use the speed loader just to make things a little bit easier. But here we have this little notch on the side. That's for your finger. You push, put some rounds in, and just keep repeating that. We got some 9mm, some Speer Gold Dot G2 here, and let's load it up a little bit. I'm not going to load it up completely because that'd be a longer video, but I'm just going to drop about 15 rounds in it. As you can see, I mean, no problem whatsoever. This little doodad takes the pressure off the rounds. You drop them in. It reminds me exactly like using a Maglula speed loader. So if you've ever used the Maglula, then it's pretty much the same thing, except a different action takes place when you load it up. That was 15 rounds. You can see how easy that was. Fingers don't hurt, fingers not broke, my thumb's not bleeding, no big deal like that. So my first impression of this magazine. So far it seems pretty solid. Now mind you, I haven't took this out to the range, I haven't shot it. This is just merely playing with it and looking at it. But it's made out of polycarbonate, so it's like a plastic. It weighs about, well, it weighs exactly 1.5 pounds. So imagine fully loaded with 50 rounds, 1.5 pounds plus the weight of 50 rounds, which is about another pound, 1.5 pounds. So you figure it's going to be about 2.5 pounds completely loaded. So one other thing that I know a lot of you are going to be concerned about is how does it lock up in the Glock? Is it a solid fit? Well, I've got my L2D Combat Catalyst 17 here, so let's go ahead and try it out. As you heard that, sounded pretty solid. The magazine actually is not wobbly inside of the Glock. It's a nice tight fit. Mag release comes right out. So it does fit in the Glock. It is a nice tight fit in the Glock, but it does not get stuck. Seems like it's fit fairly well, if not perfectly, for a Glock pistol, obviously as it should be because it's made for Glock pistols. So my overall first impression of this. It weighs about 1.5 pounds, which isn't really that bad. Figure having 50 rounds in it is going to be about 2.5 pounds completely loaded. It's made out of a polycarbonate. It seems pretty sturdy. It seems rock solid, to be honest with you. It does have some wobble in there. When it's not loaded, you can hear the internals, the spring in there wobbling, but obviously that's going to happen with any mag of this sort. Now I can't speak on the reliability because I have not shot this. I just pulled it out of the box for the first time right now. So like I said, this is an initial first impression. But so far it seems like it's going to be a rock solid magazine. And actually, I just noticed inside here, inside of the feed lip, it is lined with metal. So it's going to be even more sturdier than if it was just straight plastic, so to speak. So seems rock solid. Can't really complain about it yet. That's all I know about it right now. And I can just speak on what it feels like so far. And I'm going to say that gets a thumbs up. Seems like it's a rock solid build. Reliability, though, I can't speak on. We'll see about that in the future. And that's all I got, guys. KCI USA 9mm 50 round mag for Glock pistols. Keep shooting, guys.